What if I told you this entire cinematic samurai short film was created with AI? Sounds impressive, right? But this wasn't just about making a cool-looking video. I wanted to test one of the biggest challenges in AI filmmaking: character consistency. Could the same character stay consistent across 8 cinematic scenes while fighting, showing emotion, taking battle damage, and still look like the exact same person from beginning to end? That's exactly what I set out to find using Flova AI. And in this video, I'll show you the entire process, from developing the story and refining the characters to generating every scene and putting the final film together. So let's see if Flova actually delivers, or if it falls apart like most AI video generators. So first, head over to Flova AI using the official link in my description. After signing in, I already knew exactly what I wanted to create: a cinematic samurai short film. I've always been a fan of classic Japanese samurai movies, so I thought it would be the perfect way to test whether Flova could maintain the same character across multiple scenes while still capturing different emotions, action sequences, and battle damage. Flova also gives you 100 free credits when you create your account, plus another 100 credits every week just for logging in, so it's easy to start experimenting with your own projects. To bring my idea to life, I went straight to the skills section and selected the narrative short film skill. I chose it because it's designed specifically for story-driven projects where the characters, scenes, and overall narrative stay connected from beginning to end. Since I wanted to create a complete short film instead of a collection of random AI clips, it was the perfect choice. Next, I pasted in my story prompt. I made it as detailed as possible so the AI could fully understand the world, the characters, the emotions, and the cinematic style I was aiming for. One thing I really like about Flova is its generous prompt limit. It gives you the freedom to describe your ideas in much greater detail, which usually leads to stronger and more cinematic results. Once I clicked Generate, the Flova agent immediately got to work, analyzing the story, organizing the scenes, and planning the overall flow. Instead of feeling like a basic AI generator, it genuinely felt like I was collaborating with a creative filmmaking partner from the very beginning. Once the first draft of the script was ready, I didn't just approve it and move on. I read through it carefully and looked at it the way a director would. The story was already good, but I felt the emotional tension between the two samurai characters could be stronger. I wanted the final duel to feel more meaningful, so I asked the Flova agent to slow the pacing a little, build more suspense, and make the ending more emotionally impactful. A few moments later, it generated a revised version that felt much stronger. That's what I really liked about the experience. It wasn't replacing my creativity, it was helping me refine my ideas much faster. Once I was happy with the story, I confirmed the script, and the agent immediately started creating the storyboard and character designs. This was the part I was most excited about, because it was time to see whether Flova could actually deliver on character consistency. The first character designs already looked incredibly realistic, but I still reviewed each one carefully. To really test the workflow, I made a few adjustments and regenerated one of the characters. Comparing the results side by side, the improvement was easy to notice. The updated version maintained the same facial features, hairstyle, clothing, and overall identity much more consistently across every scene, while naturally showing different emotions, action poses, and battle damage. That's a huge advantage if you're creating AI short films, episodic content, or any story where viewers need to recognize the same character from beginning to end. Once I was satisfied with the character designs, it was time to generate the actual cinematic scenes. With everything ready, I clicked Shot Videos, and the Flova agent started generating all 8 cinematic scenes using the Seedance 2.0 video model. Instead of waiting for every shot to finish, I reviewed them one by one to make sure they matched the vision I had in mind. Most of the scenes looked great on the first try, but I still wanted to push the cinematic quality even further. In one of the fight sequences, I felt the camera movement could be more dynamic, so I asked the agent to refine that specific shot. Within moments, it generated a much stronger version with better movement and a more cinematic feel. I really liked that I could improve individual scenes without having to regenerate the entire project. Once all 8 shots looked the way I wanted, I clicked Generate All Audio Layers, and the agent automatically created the dialogue, background music, and realistic sound effects for every scene. After everything was finished, the entire project came together inside the Flova's inbuilt timeline editor, where I could review the pacing, fine-tune scene timing, adjust transitions, balance the audio, and make sure the story flowed naturally from beginning to end. Having the entire filmmaking workflow in one place made the process much smoother because I could spend more time refining the film instead of switching between multiple tools. Once I was happy with the final result, I exported the completed short film.
Please help us.
So, the legend still breathes.
Today, your war ends. The last samurai.
Who are you?
Just someone who remembered honor.
And that's the exact project you saw at the beginning of this video. If you want to try creating your own AI short films, you can use the official Flova AI link in the description below. I've also shared my complete story prompt in the pinned comment, so feel free to use it as inspiration or customize it to create your own unique film. Flova gives new users 100 free credits when they sign up, plus another 100 credits every week just for logging in, making it easy to start creating right away. After building this entire project from beginning to end, I can honestly say that character consistency was one of the things that impressed me the most. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.